Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study the basis of ideology of Pakistan. Under the heading of basis of the ideology of Pakistan, I will discuss belief and prayers, justice and equality, promotion of democracy, fraternity and brotherhood, rights and duties of citizens, beliefs and prayers. The Muslims of the subcontinent put up the demand for Pakistan because they wanted to lead their lives in accordance with their beliefs. They also wanted to worship Allah Almighty without any obstructions. Belief of Islam includes belief in the oneness of God, means Tawheed, the finality of the Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, life hereafter, angels, and the books revealed by Allah Almighty. Oneness of God, Tawheed means that Allah is the creator and master of the entire universe. No one is his partner and nothing is beyond his knowledge. Faith in prophethood means to believe that Allah sent messengers for the guidance of mankind. It is compulsory for a Muslim to have a staunch belief in prophethood without having any kind of doubt. The second pillar of Islam is namaz. It is obligatory to offer prayers at the fixed hours. The third pillar of Islam is to keep fast. Like all other prayers, it is the best manifestation of obligation. The fourth pillar of Islam is zakat. It is a monetary prayer. It is the means of strengthening the economic system of Islam. Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. It is an obligation only for those who are financially able to perform it. Justice and equality. While establishing a just society, the Muslims put emphasis on justice. It is determined in Islamic belief that all human beings are to be given equal status without any discrimination of caste, color, creed, language, and culture. The establishment of equal law and the same judiciary system for all living in the state is intended. Independent judiciary and the supremacy of law are the basic conditions for the establishment of equality and justice. Islamic system has laid stress on the elevation of justice. In his last sermon, Khutbah Hijjatul Wida, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, explained this fact in the following words. O people, all of you have one God, and all mankind is the offspring of Adam. An herb has no superiority over a non-herb, nor a non-herb has any superiority over an herb. Also, a white has no superiority over black, nor a black has any superiority over white. Promotion of democracy. Consultation and deliberations are the basis of Islamic state and society. Democracy is promoted in an Islamic state and the rights of the people are protected. Every citizen enjoys equal status. People lead their lives observing and respecting the law of the land. Laws provide security to the people. All are equal in the eyes of law. No discrimination is allowed on the basis of caste, color, creed, or language. The system of the government is run for the welfare of all the people. While addressing at CP on 14th of February 1948, Quaid-e-Azam described the purpose of achievement of Pakistan in the following words. Let us lay the foundation of our democracy on the basis of the truly Islamic principle. Our Almighty has taught us that our decisions in the affairs of the state shall be guided by discussions and consultations. Fraternity and brotherhood. Fraternity and brotherhood had special significance in an Islamic society. When Islamic government was formed in Medina, the example of fraternity and brotherhood set there was worth seeing. Today, the Islamic society needs the same fraternity and brotherhood. Before the advent of Islam, people were not aware of this principle. They were the enemies of each other. But as the Islamic State of Medina was established, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, advised his followers to treat the orphans, widows, and the poor kindly. He gave the people a code of life so that they might live peacefully in an atmosphere of brotherhood might flourish in the society. He constituted a system of zakat and charity. Fraternity teaches us to develop brotherly relations with one another so that neither rights of anyone are suppressed nor the weak is oppressed by anyone. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, each Muslim is a brother to every other Muslim. He should not commit breach of trust. He taught to refrain from maliciousness, malignance, and enviousness. Rights and duties of citizens. When Pakistan appeared on the map of the world, the significance of the rights of the citizens was acknowledged. At the same time, much emphasis was laid on the duties of the citizens. In an Islamic state, rights and duties are closely connected and both go hand in hand. The right of one person becomes the duty of the other to fulfill. Rights and duties are correlative. When a person does his duties, he deserves to enjoy rights. Duties cover both individual as well as collective aspects of man. Mutual balance between rights and duties is the key to make an Islamic state a successful one. Sense to provide security to the minorities was also included in the background of the demand of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah said very clearly that the rights of the minorities will be fully protected in Pakistan. Islam does not allow that life, property, dignity, and religious traditions of the minorities in Pakistan go unprotected. Thank you. I hope you understood the topic.